Can you all see this diagram, everyone? Sorry, this table. Can you all see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, with the help of
Yes,
this
sir.
table, we will discuss the equilibrium. See, in the first column, your level of income is given. This income is nothing but your aggregate supply only. Okay. Then planned consumption is given, planned saving is given, and planned investment is given. All right. So on the first level, see, income is 0, and your planned consumption is. Wait, let me use the annotator. The first level, see, income is 0, but your consumption is some positive number. So what type of consumption is this? When our income is 0, जब income 0 है, तो consumption ये क्या हो रहा है? What type of consumption is this? Huh?
Autonomous consumption.
Autonomous consumption. And I have told you the autonomous consumption is equals to your negative negative savings. That is your dis savings. So see, positive 20 and minus 20. It will be same. And a planned investment, it will remain constant. See, because it is the autonomous investment, so we have assumed that it will remain constant. We have assumed it will remain 40. Now we will calculate the aggregate demand and aggregate supply. See, aggregate demand is C plus I, consumption plus investment expenditure. That means this second column and the fourth column we have to add. Okay, second and the fourth column we have to add. Okay, second and fourth column we have to add. So it will be 40 plus 20, 60. And here my aggregate supply is also 0, because at 0 level of income, my aggregate supply will also be 0. So aggregate demand is more and aggregate supply is all right. Second, see, income is 100, income increases, planned consumption is 100, saving is 0. Since income is equals to consumption, तो यहाँ पे हमारी saving 0 ही होगी. So यहाँ पे planned aggregate demand कितना होगा? 140. That is your 100 plus 40, 140. और अभी भी हमारा excess demand है. So excess demand है, तो जो हमारी इकोनॉमी है, it will has a tendency of increment. Excess demand में हमेशा हमारी इकोनॉमी expand करेगी. और यहाँ पे देखो, इनकम 300 है, प्लान कंजम्पशन 260 है और प्लान इन्वेस्टमेंट 40 है. तो both are equal. So this will be our equilibrium situation where our aggregate demand and aggregate supply are equal. और इसके बाद जो भी सिचुएशन आएगी, students, you all go through this table in your book. Okay, and if अगर फिर से rejoin करना होगा, I will message in the group, then you all can rejoin. I will send the lecture videos and okay. Thank you everyone.